Hi friends, today we are going to talk about how do we get stipend after getting admission in MTech. We will be discussing on this point that how to get means a stipend after getting admission in MTech. So first of all, I want to tell you that for this we will be referring the website of means providing authority, that is AICTE. So we will be visiting first the website of AICTE. So let's visit the website of AICTE. In the Google we will write that MTech stipend. Okay, let's type it, MTech stipend, and we will just hit enter. After that we will be screening for AICTE website, and here look here, this is AICTE website. Okay, AICTE website, and we will be going to this website only. Okay, so let's go to this website. Here you can see that this is AICTE website, and we will be screening for PG scholarship, GATE, GPAT, and here you can say that all the necessary information and details are provided here. Okay, so everything, every link, every link for apply, everything is provided here only. You can see here apply for PG scholarship, GATE, GPAT, and this is new is showing like this is just a new link. Okay, so you can just click over here and go to the next page of applying. So we will not go to that here in this video, because we are going to just check the criterias. Okay, so here this is frequently asked question, FAQ English. Okay, so we will just referring this, and we will be seeing the eligibility first. What is the eligibility criteria? Then here it is mentioned that full-time GATE, GPAT qualified, AICTE approved program. Okay, Master of Engineering, Master of Technology, Master of Architecture, Master of Pharmacy, and AICTE approved institution. Okay, this is only for AICTE approved institution and university or department. Okay, so what are the upload means documents required to upload it? First is scorecard, GATE scorecard, then is passbook, then is Aadhaar card, and then is caste certificate, and then is, if you are from OBC category, then NCL, non-creamy layer, and that too of within 1 year. Okay, and joint account will be not accepted. Okay, joint accounts are not accepted. So let's switch to our main content, that is how do we get stipend. Then in this what we see that there are mainly two categories. One is IIT and NITs, and other than these colleges, that means other than IIT and NIT. So these are the two categories. One is IIT and NIT, and other is means other. Okay, other than these colleges. Then in IIT and NITs you don't need to do anything, because every process your college will do every process. All you need to do is submit your passbook and submit your other documents that your college asks you to submit. Okay, and you don't need to do anything in these colleges as. Okay, and just wait, every money will be credited in your account. Okay, and you will be your money will be credited per month in your account. Okay, but in other colleges other than IITs and NITs, you need to do some process, because they call that colleges are not responsible. Mainly they means expect from their student that they will apply their self. Okay, so first of all you need to get a student ID for applying your institute. If this is AICTE approved, then that college will give you a student ID and college ID. With the help of a student ID and college ID, you will be applying on the website, as a link I have already shown to you, that go and there is a form, fill the form, and okay, fill the form and just submit the form. After that you will be getting, after your form will be processed. Okay, once your form is processed, you will be start getting the stipend amount. Okay, so these are the two categories, and this will be the process for these all two categories. Okay, and your stipend will be credited in both of the categories, both of the category of colleges. Okay, so in NITs and IITs and ISC you don't need to do anything, कुछ भी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Only you need to do just follow the college instruction as this means. So wants you to submit documents, just submit that, and that's all. So this is all for this video. Thank you friends.